In the world of extreme vehicle modifications, creativity knows no bounds. Enthusiast Jake, a veteran modifier, recalls his most daunting project, turning a rusty pickup truck into an all-terrain beast. He faced countless setbacks, from engine troubles to design flaws, but his unwavering passion pushed him through. Then there's expert Sarah, who emphasizes the importance of precision engineering in her custom motorcycles, leading to jaw-dropping performances on the racetrack. Each unexpected twist in the journey reveals the resilience of these builders, celebrating the relentless pursuit of perfection. In the end, each vehicle transformed stands not just as a machine, but a testament to its creator's spirit.